Welcome to the channel. Today this is a Mercedes, it's a C300, and this handle right here is broken. I know this is a common thing with a lot of C300, so I'm going to tell you guys how to replace this door panel and fix this guy right here, and then we get back our door handle working. Alright, let's get into it. So the tools you need for this job is the Torx 30. And the number 2 is just a plastic plier, and then you need a pair of pliers. Let's begin. You use a plastic plier. You just come right here. You just pull this like this. It just comes out of the way. You can just let it just sit over there. You come over here. You just remove this cover. You just pry from here. Once this comes like this, you're going to work right over here. So you take a pair of pliers, and then you just pull right over here like this. Make sure it's pointed. Just let it go in there, and then hold the stuff right here. Then pull it outside like that, and this thing comes like this. Then you can use a plastic plier or something like this to get it out of there. So this thing should be able to just come like that. So this thing comes like this. Literally what you do when you're pulling out, make sure you pull these things inside, and then it's going to take this lock out, and then this thing is going to come without a problem. Yeah, it's going to give a people problem, but it should be good to go. Once that's done, you come below this it's a door handle right here. So just below it, you see there is a Torx 30. Alright, you just take it out. Comes out, you come to the inner one right here, you remove it the same. Yes, this comes like that. This thing is out of the way. Alright, so next, once these two are out, you just take your plier, you just pull right over here. Oh yeah, and then you just use your energy to get it out. So you can start like over there. You need to apply a lot of energy for this thing to come out. So you take it out like that, this thing just comes out. It pops out from right over here. So it's supposed to disconnect from all the way here, all the way. And then what you do, you just you make sure this thing comes out from here like this, and then you come to this other end, and then make sure it comes all the way. So here, right here. So this is our damage. So this thing is broken. So we'll find a way of connecting these guys together. So I have to connect this, disconnect this stuff right here, this guy. You take it out, and then we take out this guy out of right here. So you just take it out. So these guys come out like this, and so we're going to make this thing just attach itself to here. So what you do, we remove the rest of the connectors so that the door panel comes out completely. So you just come here to this module, and then you just disconnect this guy right here. That's the first one. Disconnect this guy is the second one, and then our door handle just comes out like that without a problem. Alright. So once this thing is out, what you do, you come here. So this is our broken handle. So if you see it from here, looks like this. So this is the stuff that broke out. So what you do, you just identify how this thing looks, how it came out. So the way it is, this one looks like it came like this. So we'll need something like JB weld, and then we can just put it right here, and then we just align it well, and then we let it cure. Then once this cures, this thing will come out solid, and then you can put it back instead of just buying the whole thing, because Mercedes, for whatever reason, you can't change this thing by itself, so you have to get the whole door panel, which is really crazy, or you have to take out all this stuff which is here. It's crazy in one way or another. So literally that's it. So I'll show you the process now, so let's begin about it. This is AutoZone, and I'm getting this one for like something like $12. So I'm going to show you once I get in there how to do this and install it on the door. So right, I'm back. So what we're going to do right now, you just get a piece of like a box or something, and then good thing, this JB weld comes in with kind of like a plastic wood, which helps you when mixing it up. So first things, you just open it up, and then you just squeeze it out. Don't squeeze too much, just a little bit, and then mix it up. You just mix it until the color becomes even. And then once this is done, then you start applying on this on our broken door handle. You apply it slowly. And then something really I want to mention when you're proceeding like this, if you feel like the JB weld alone is not going to hold it, please you can add in maybe like a screw. I'll show you later on if I get one like that. So keep applying. So you might apply the first coat and then let it dry. Then you can try again the second one, and then make sure you apply evenly. You apply it in the inside and then outside. And then something quick to point out, make sure the weld does not hold to the side, so just try as much as possible to let it be in the middle, and try applying the weld slowly, and just let it just sit in there and let it sink in there. Also, if this part of the weld is getting on the maybe on the wall or on the sides, please try use something to just get it out. So it's going to only be affecting only our broken handle. So today we'll let this thing sit for the night unless it has cured enough. So when you just do this, this thing is just as strong as possible. So I want to mention something really quick, and this is what you should help to reinforce this thing, like you see right from here. So what I normally encourage, if you don't want to use only the JB weld, and then look for something like this, a screw just like this, and then you just tighten all the way, just all over here, just tighten straight, because this thing has like some fleshy part. You just tighten it all the way, just right from here, and then you can put the JB weld on top, and this thing will be solid. This thing will be very solid. So it's time for it to be installed back. So we're going to install it, and then we're going to try and see if it's working or if it's not working. So let's do it. So installing back, make sure you put this thing back right here. So you just come right over here, and then make sure it just locks. You just lock it from the top right like that, and then now it's time for it to be connected right over here. So make sure also you don't forget to connect these two connectors, just right over there, and then let's do it. So all those in. So the last one right here. Alright, it's just to connect right over here, and then make sure our thing just locks over right here. So once this thing locks like this, we're good to go. So we just install it back. So one final thing, you have to test it to make sure it's working. So you see this thing is holding, so it should be good to go. Once this thing cures well, you should be able to open the door and lock it. All right. So everything is locked in. So you can see, let me just lock it manually. So if you lock it right like this manually, so we're going to open. So this thing is working good, so we're good to go. So that's, guys, how simple it is to just lock your door or just fix this thing for just a simple, like maybe like $12, and then this thing should be good to go. Instead of getting the whole door panel, that will be more costly to you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope this really helped you out as you fix your door and as you get it back working normally. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope it really helps you out. Please like and subscribe if you loved it, and then I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.